Good day, Catholic kids! Today's Gospel tells us about a man who was blind from birth. This means he never seen anything in his whole life. One day, Jesus saw him begging, and the disciples asked Jesus, "Why is this man blind?" But Jesus answered the man's situation would show God's wonderful work. Then Jesus did something amazing. He put mud on the man's eyes and told him to wash in the pool of Siloam. The man obeyed Jesus and went to wash. When he washed his eyes, he was able to see. Imagine how happy he must have been. For the first time in his life, he could see the people, the sky, and the whole world. But some people did not believe what happened. They kept asking the man many questions. Even though others doubted him, the man bravely said, "One thing I know, I was blind and now I can see." This gospel teaches us something important. Sometimes we may also be blind in our hearts, not blind in our eyes, but blind when we refuse to see the good in others. We judge people quickly. We ignore someone who needs help. Jesus wants to open our hearts and our eyes so we can see with love, kindness, and understanding. When we follow Jesus, we begin to see the whole world differently. We start noticing people who need help. We learn how to forgive from the heart. We learn to love more. Just like the man in the gospel, we can also say, "Jesus, help me to see what is good and right." So today, let us ask Jesus to open our hearts so we can see His goodness in our family, in our friends, and in the people around us. Thank you and God bless us all. Remember, Catholic kids, pag may salita ang Diyos, may paglago. Bye-bye!